Welcome to the slop farm. Enjoy the video.
You'll begin by stabilizing the watch. Place it face down on a soft cloth and confirm which side is 12 o'clock. Use the spring bar tool to compress the exposed flange of the buckle spring bar. Push inward toward the strap hole while holding tension so the bar clears the lug. Do this gently to avoid scratching. If the buckle hides the bar, flip the strap slightly to expose the slot. Once you see the gap, proceed to compress and withdraw the spring bar carefully. Next, remove the buckle itself by continuing to compress and guiding the spring bar out of its seating. Use a small flat screwdriver or the forked end of the spring bar tool to lever the bar while pulling the strap away slightly. This creates clearance. Make sure to support the opposite side of the buckle so the bar doesn't snap. Once one end clears, slide the bar out fully and lift the buckle free. If the bar sticks, repeat compress and angle motions rather than forcing it. To finish, inspect components. If the spring bar is bent or pitted, replace it. Reassemble by inserting the bar into the buckle, compressing it, and seating each end into the lug holes until you hear or feel a click. Make sure the strap lies flat. If alignment is off, don't force. Remove and realign. Troubleshooting. If the bar refuses to move, apply a tiny drop of silicone lubricant to the pivot and retry. This eases corrosion-bound bars.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.